a metal slide, adjustable sights, and hop-up, which is what you'd expect from a typical high-end gas blowback, but it's not. It's the WinGun CO2 powered non-blowback 1911. Adopted into the Army in 1911, the cult government M1911 is possibly the most copied and influential semi-auto pistol in history. This WinGun model appears to be based on a para-ordnance-style modified tactical 1911. The box is black and stylishly minimalist. Inside you'll find the pistol, an adjustment tool, and a small sample of .20 gram BBs. WinGun makes non-blowback CO2 pistols for TSD and Crossman's C11 series, but this pistol is in another league. It looks and feels more like a high-end WE or Western Arms 1911. It has a functional slide that you can pull back to reveal the hop-up, which can be adjusted using the 1.5mm hex key. The metal rear sight can be adjusted for elevation and windage. The checkered grips are plastic, but nicely textured. The frame is also plastic, but exactly matches the all-metal slide. The rest of the gun is metal, including the hammer, barrel, magazine, trigger, and firing mechanism. The safety on the frame is functional, but the grip safety is cosmetic. The trigger is dual action, but for best accuracy, you should manually cock the hammer before firing. This will give you the hair trigger feel of a gas blowback. The magazine holds 16 BBs and contains the CO2 cartridge in a side-loaded cradle. Turning the built-in key at the base pushes the cartridge into the feeding needle. Non-blowback pistols use a fraction of the gas of a gas blowback, so you should get over 150 rounds per cartridge. At room temperature, this weapon was firing on average at 460 FPS with .20 gram BBs. Obviously, you don't want to use this for CQB games, but because of its insanely high FPS, accuracy with heavier BBs was outstanding. At 25 feet, we got 1.5-inch groupings. At 50 feet, we got a better than 50% hit probability on a head-sized target, making this one of the most accurate stock pistols we've ever tested. In a word, impressive. This has got to be the best looking non-blowback 1911 currently made. With an adjustable hop-up, rear sights, and insanely high FPS, this is a pistol that could conceivably outrange most sniper rifles. And more importantly, this is the first pistol that can make a gas blowback snob consider buying a non-blowback.